Morning Philippines, mga kabarangay, mga kababayan, mga kapatid. Ngayon po ay araw ng Biyernes, June 27, 2025. Narinig po natin sa balita, mga kabarangay, mga kababayan, mga kapatid, na di umano ayon kay Senate President Chis Escudero in his capacity as the presiding judge of the impeachment court, na kapag mayroong nag-motion to dismiss sa impeachment complaint, pwede pong i-dismiss ang impeachment court with simple majority votes of the senators, and that is with the votes of 13 senators. At ang naging reaksyon naman po dito, mga kabarangay, mga kababayan, mga kapatid, ni Congressman-elect De Lima, unconstitutional daw po sa bahagi ng Senado kapag ito ay dismiss, because according to her, the constitutional mandate is for the Senate to start trial upon transmittal of any impeachment complaint by the lower house. So sabi niya, wala sa saligang batas ang kapangyarihan ng Senado na i-dismiss ang impeachment complaint. Kailangan daw po ito ay litisin sapagkat iyan ang mandato na ibinigay sa kanila ng saligang batas. Well, mga kabarangay, mga kababayan, mga kapatid, yan po ay personal opinion ni Congresswoman-elect De Lima. Katulad po ng ating paulit-ulit na sinasabi, the power to try of any case includes the power to dismiss if there is a valid ground to do the same. So, ibig po sabihin, kung ang mandato ng Senado ay litisin, kasama po sa mandato na yan ang pagdidismiss ng complaint kung mayroon pong sapat na basihan sa ilalim ng batas. Yan po ang katotohanan. At ang tanong po, pwede nga bang i-dismiss ito with the simple votes of the majority of the members of the Senate, that is, with the vote of 13 senators? Opo. Bakit po? Sapagkat in the absence of a specific provisions to the effect that there is a required majority votes for a collegial court to act upon in order that the action thereof would be considered valid, then the general rule applies. That is the simple majority, because that is always the rule, general rule. So kung mayroong 24 senators, the majority of which is 13 votes, then kung wala naman pong rules na nagsasabi na ang dismissal of the complaint should be by more than simple majority, then the simple majority rule applies. Yung sinasabi po sa saligang batas na 2/3 votes, yan po ay for conviction. Kung sinasabi, kung i-convict mo ang respondent sa impeachment complaint, halimbawa po kay BP Sara, the judgment of the impeachment court would be conviction, then the required votes as the Constitution provides should be two-thirds votes, which is at least 16 votes. Yun po ang nakalagay. So kung conviction yan, kailangan ang 13 votes. Pag hindi mo nakuha ang 13 votes of the senators, automatic acquittal po ang resulta. With respect to dismissal of the complaint, since there is no provision na nagsasabi as to what majority should decide, then the general rule applies. At sa atin pong pagkaalam at palagay dito, ito din po ang rules ng impeachment rules, at even sa ordinary sa rules of court, because the rules of court was adopted in its suppletory capacity. Kaya po, we do agree with the Senate President to the effect that the impeachment complaint can be dismissed by the impeachment court with simple majority votes, and that is with the votes of 13 senators. Yung sinasabi po, naulit natin na iba dyan na unconstitutional kapag i-dismiss ito sa bahagi ng Senado as an impeachment court. Hindi po totoo yan. Bakit po? Naulit natin, the power to try a case includes the power to dismiss if there is a valid ground to dismiss the same. So, wala pong issue o hindi po issue ang constitutionality ng aksyon ng Senado should they dismiss the impeachment complaint. Anyway, assuming na i-dismiss nga ng Senado with 13 votes, at kung sa tingin ng House of the Representatives ay mali, then they can just go to the Supreme Court questioning that specific act of the impeachment court in dismissing the impeachment complaint with the votes of 13 senators or by way of simple majority. Pwede pong pumunta ang House of Representatives as the aggrieved party, being the prosecutor, for clarification before the Supreme Court. The said court being the final arbiter of what is constitutional or not. Kaya wala pong issue dito. But in the absence of a decision by the Supreme Court to that effect, then yung presumption that it can be dismissed, the impeachment complaint can be dismissed by the impeachment court being a collegial body with a simple majority votes. Hindi po totoo na inuulit po natin, hindi po totoo na ito ay unconstitutional. Anyway, yan po ay malalaman natin kung sakaling mayroong mag-question sa Supreme Court. Samantala po, mga barangay, mga kababayan, mga kapatid, atin pong wakasan ang ating talakayan ngayong umaga. Muli, maraming